guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys an OOTW. I love sharing my outfit of the week videos and documenting my outfits, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like it. And once you're done watching it, leave a comment letting me know which outfit is your favorite. I love reading and responding back to every single comment. And the theme for this week is colorful, so I'm adding a lot of fun, colorful sweaters to spice up your fall wardrobe. So if you guys need some inspiration, hopefully these outfits are helpful, and we're just gonna get started with Monday's outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this OOTW. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite, and I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next new video. Bye guys!